Hello everyone, my name is Ivana Devitasari. You can call me Ivana or Nana. I am the English Study Department of Devitasari University Surakarta, and in this video I would like to tell you my journal review about DEIXIS analysis in the song Back to You by Selena Gomez. And I will put the journal link in description box below. Okay, happy watching!
A journal review. The title, A DEIXIS Analysis of Song Lyrics in Back to You by Selena Gomez. From author name, Arini Hidayah. From journal name, Surakarta English and Literature Journal. Volume, number and page. Volume 2, number 2, page 1 to 9. From year 2019. Link download in description box below.
Journal background. The study of what speakers means or speaker meaning is called pragmatics. Communication recognizes the meaning of words and speakers mean in utterance or sentences. Sometimes, misunderstandings of meaning could happen in the language users. In order to understand about a reference of utterance, reader or listeners should be able to identify the context of utterance. Additionally, Levinson's advance, DEIXIS directly concerned with the relationship language and context, which is reflected in structure of language themselves. Research purpose. This research focused on the study in song lyrics, especially in Selena Gomez's album, because it will be more interesting if we're study about something which becomes too close to part of human life, such as music. Moreover, the research assumes that many DEIXIS words and also their meaning could be found in the song lyrics of Back to You by Selena Gomez. In fact, the listener sometimes will get difficulty to determine the exact meanings of DEIXIS that are used in this English song. The study about exact meaning of DEIXIS in song lyrics becomes crucial and interesting. In the study, the research want to analyze DEIXIS in song lyrics of Back to You by Selena Gomez, not only because it has a DEIXIS word, but also many people, especially teenagers, are interested in this album. From this research, the researchers decide to create a research entitled A DEIXIS Analysis of Song Lyrics in Back to You by Selena Gomez. The researcher hopes that it can help the listeners easily to understand the use and the meaning of DEIXIS, especially in song lyrics. Research method. The research used descriptive qualitative methodology because the data in the research are lyrics in the song. Research subject. The data source of this research is Song Lyrics Back to You by Selena Gomez, which contains percent DEIXIS that is categorized into 3 types. Data collection is gathering process of information from relevant sources purposing to answer the research question.
Result and discussion. This research finds that person DEIXIS, time DEIXIS, and place DEIXIS occur in songs of Back to You in song lyrics. First, person DEIXIS. Person DEIXIS designates the basic roles in a speech event. The speakers or first person, address or the person spoken to the second person, and the person or persons who are neither speaker nor address or third person. In the song of Back to You, there are present DEIXIS. It can be seen in this table. 2. Place DEIXIS. Spatial or place DEIXIS words indicates location in space relative to the speakers. From the song of Back to You, the research found and classified the 12 songs which show the use of special or praise DEIXIS. From the table above, it can be seen that in Song of Back to You, there are two data of special or place DEIXIS. The lyrics which contains place DEIXIS of distal term in there in lyrics. What was there was not sure. There refers to somewhere. The function of special DEIXIS is to indicate the use of the distance or location in the song lyrics. 3. Time DEIXIS. Temporal or time DEIXIS word indicates the timing of an event relative to the time of speaking. From the song Back to You, the research found and classified the song which show that the temporal DEIXIS or time DEIXIS occurs. The research used the table to make it easier and clearer. From the table above, the research found two data of time DEIXIS. First data is every time in lyric every time we talk. Second data is cold evening in the lyric talk that I could you with a cold evening. Every time and cold evening refers to the time. Based on the explanation above, the research includes that from the song Back to You, the use of temporal DEIXIS occurs. The function of temporal DEIXIS is to indicate the use of the timing in the song lyrics. After analyzing and determining the types of DEIXIS and also interpreting the reference meaning that are used in Back to You song lyrics, the findings of frequency of DEIXIS types which are used in the song of Selena Gomez are presented as follows. Types of DEIXIS. First, percent DEIXIS, frequency 45. 2. Place DEIXIS, frequency 1. And last, 3. Time DEIXIS, frequency 2.
The last conclusion. Following the discussion above, finally, the researchers concludes that the song lyrics of Back to You use all types of DEIXIS, which are present, place, and time DEIXIS occurs in a song of Back to You. Most of personal DEIXIS in Back to You song lyrics refer to the speaker herself, which are encoded by first singular person DEIXIS like I, my. It is because the singer tells about the love feeling to the boy in her song that make the use of person DEIXIS type are more often than others. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for your attention. I'm Ivana Devitasari. See you!